Homestead Homies. It's Off Grid with Doug and Stacy, and today is a planting day. I'm going to be planting my onions, and I want to bring you along. But before we go outside to plant my red onions, and I got super great big yellow onions and some regular yellow onions, I want to remind you that it's time, if you haven't started, to maybe get your slips ready for your sweet potatoes. And I started these, and as you can see on them, they're already starting to root a little bit. Some people get kind of anxious with their sweet potatoes and they're like, nothing's happening, and some of them will go quicker than others. It's just, I guess that's just how it is. We did a whole thing on doing the sweet potato slips and how we did it. I'll link that above so you can check that video out. And then you can start your sweet potatoes that way and get tons of plants from one sweet potato. And the other thing is when you're doing your onions, you generally want to do it 4 weeks before your last frost-free date. According to my Clyde's Garden Planner, our last frost date, it's time for us to get our onions in right away. So if you guys are interested in getting a Clyde's Garden Planner to get more organized, the links will be below. So let's get planting some onions. The first thing, I'm going to kind of prep my bed here. So I have my little rake, and I'm just kind of loosening up the soil here. Because this has been composting and just kind of hanging out throughout the winter. So I'm just kind of loosening it up here. And then on my beds, I like to put my onions in all the beds, and I just do them all on the perimeter of all the beds. And I have the 3 different varieties I'm going to do today. So I'm going to start with my reds. And we did a video on anthocyanin foods, the red ones, and so I'll link that one above too. Whoops, you can check that out. So when you plant them, make sure the pointy side is up, the roots are at the bottom. Now, a little tip about onions. When you are planting onions, onions love daylight. They love daylight. So after your first day of spring or so, the days are starting to get longer. So you really want to get your onions in as soon as you can because they like daylight. And after June 21st, your first day of summer, the days are going to start to get shorter. So you really want to try to get your onions in because they love the daylight. And a lot of people like to mound the dirt over them. They're not going to get the daylight that way. So the little trick here is when you plant them, don't plant them very deep. I'm going to plant them where I can see the little top on them. Okay, so they're not going to be totally covered. So I'm just going to push them in like this. That's it. Easy. You can plant onions so easy. As you can see, I went ahead and put the onions all the way around, and so now what I'm going to do is go ahead and cover them up just a little bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and cover them up just gently, a little bit, so they can kind of even be popping out a little bit. Because I found that it really worked. Last year when we did this, I had a great onion harvest, and I was very happy with it. I am trying something new. I always try to tell you guys to try something new. So I've never grown the white onions before. So I'm really looking forward to that. And then I got a different one here. This is like a super monster yellow onion. So I'm looking forward to that one too. Doug and I are just like you guys. We're just trying to grow our food for our own family so that we can enjoy the health benefits and just the happiness of growing our foods and being self-sufficient. I got to get these bulbs in quickly because it's getting ready to rain here and I want to get them in before the rain comes. But if you guys are planning on trying onions, or if you've never tried onions before, let us know if you're going to try a different variety or if you're going to be the first time you've ever done onions before. I'd love to hear from you guys. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And as always, guys, have a great day and I'll see you later. Bye.
So when you stick around to the end of the videos, you're in the know. So today we're going to announce the winners of the soup bowls, and the winners are Headley Lamar and Living Off Grid McGarvey Style. We'll get those bowls out to you. All you have to do is email us with your address. All the email addresses and all of our neat stuff that we put in every video is down below. All you have to do is hit the Show More tab. So we'll see you guys on the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a Homestead Homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.